Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can delete all the emails from the Gmail app on your Android phone. So I will start open the Gmail app. Now choose the inbox or the other desired label like all mails, and how you can see now filters appears. In the inbox you have to click here. Now just slide to the right, tap on the date, and you can choose one of this date or just set a custom range. I will choose older than 6 months. And, sorry, I don't have any email. And now you can select these mails and delete them all by this trash icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.